Have you created a token on Pump.fun and want it to feature on the main page? Open your browser and go to www.pump.fun. Here you click on Start a New Coin. Enter all your coin details. Now connect your wallet. Click on View to directly go to your coin page. There are approximately 5,000 tokens launched daily on Pump.fun. To get your token on top, you need to bump it by making lots of transactions. To start bumping up your token, go to app.hypersol.xyz. On the Various Tools panel, select Bumpy Bot and click Create. Bumpy is a custom advanced bump bot designed for Pump.fun. It lets you put custom transaction rate and count of transactions. Plus, it provides you with an integrated dashboard to view and track the transactions. Copy your coin address from here on Pump.fun coin page and paste it here on the Bumpy. Enter your transaction details. Now you can click on Pay and Start to run the bot. Confirm the transaction on your wallet. Click on Bot Details to directly go to your dashboard. To get your token among top 5 tokens on Pump.fun, use 30 to 40 transactions per minute rate. Now the bot will automatically start bumping the token and will push it to the top. Go to your Pump.fun token page, click on Trades. Wait for a few seconds. On the Bumpy dashboard, you can view your transactions log here and your coin overview here. Go to the Pump.fun main page. Go to Sort By and select Sort by Bump Order. Here you can see our coin on the main page. It will even appear on the first place. Thanks for watching.